Lesson 4: Service Operation Management. Monitoring parameters. Monitoring parameters consist of configuration, availability, capacity, performance, and security. Configuration monitoring. Track configuration and deployment of cloud service instances and associated infrastructure components. For example, detecting configuration errors and non-compliant configuration policies. Tracking unauthorized changes. Availability monitoring. Track availability of services and infrastructure components during intended operational time. For example, identifying failure of infrastructure components and services. Capacity monitoring. Track the amount of cloud infrastructure resources used and available. For example, tracking capacity limits for each service and dynamic. Allocation of storage capacity within LAN. Next, Performance monitoring. Evaluate how efficiently different services and infrastructure components are performing. For example, identifying performance bottlenecks, static monitoring. Next is security monitoring. Track unauthorized access and configuration changes to cloud infrastructure services. For example, tracking service unavailability due to security breaches, checking physical security. Alerting. Alerts are system to provider or consumer notifications. Reporting. Formulated from data gathered through monitoring, visually visible through cloud portal and management software interface. Next is Lesson 5. Service Operation Management. Service Asset and Configuration Management. Goals: maintain information on configuration items, sys, and their relationships. Maintain information about attributes of sys, use and available capacity of sys, issues linked to sys, and interrelationships among sys. Maintains information in a single database or a federated database called Configuration Management System (CMS). Change Management. Goals of change management are standardized change-related procedure in a cloud infrastructure for prompt handling of all changes with minimal impact on service quality. Low risk and routine changes may be approved automatically. Other changes are reviewed by Change Advisory Board (CAB). Capacity Management. Goals of capacity management are to ensure that a cloud infrastructure is able to meet the required capacity demands for cloud services in a cost-effective and timely manner. Determines optimal amount of resources needed for service. Plans current and future infrastructure's capacity requirements. Performance management. Goals of performance management are to monitor, measure, analyze, and improve the performance of cloud infrastructure and services. Monitors and measures performance of infrastructures, components, and service instances using tools. Make changes before performance issues impact consumers. Determine required capacity of resource pools to meet expected performance levels. Define strategies to meet or exceed required performance levels. Next is Lesson 6. Service Operation Management. Incident Management. Return cloud services to consumer as quickly when incidents cause an interrupt to services. Detect and report all incidents in the cloud infrastructure. Incident management tools recognize specific events as incidents and log incidents. Incidents are registered through cloud portal or email and reported through a service desk. Incident management. Investigate incidents escalated by incident management tools and service desks and identifies appropriate solutions. Transfers error correction activity to problem management if unable to correct root cause of an incident. Track service degradation period or downtime to check SLA violation. Documents incident history used as input for problem management. Problem management. Prevent incidents that share common symptoms or, more importantly, root causes from reoccurring, and minimize the adverse impact of incidents that cannot be prevented. Detect problems and identifies underlying root cause that creates a problem. handles problems both reactively and proactively, reports and resolves problems to known error database. Next, availability management. Goals is to ensure that stated availability commitments are consistently met. Gathers information on availability requirements for upgraded and new services. Monitors availability of existing services and components. Interact with incident and problem management teams. Analyzes, plans, designs, and manages procedures and technical features to meet availability needs at a justifiable cost. Examples of business continuity solutions. First, clustering of config systems. Second, replicating a database and hypervisors to receive file systems. Third, deploying multiple availability zones. And lastly, creating redundant network links. Next is information security management. Prevent the occurrence of incident adversely affecting the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of information in cloud services. Protect corporate and consumer data. Develops information security policies that govern providers' approach towards information security management. Safeguard data, services, and service management processes by automatically preventing attacks on them. Minimize the impact of an attack on a compromised system. And generate alerts to take preventative or corrective action. That's all from us. Thank you.